Oats can become your worst enemy. Discover the 7 mistakes that turn this superfood into poison. Did you know that healthy oatmeal from your breakfast may be silently harming your health? What if I told you that small daily habits are turning a superfood into a time bomb in your body? Is it possible that your efforts to eat nutritiously are being sabotaged without you realizing it? Oats are celebrated worldwide for their nutritional properties and health benefits. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals, it has earned its place in the healthiest diets around the world. However, what many don't know is that, when consumed or prepared incorrectly, oats can lose their benefits. There are specific mistakes that turn this superfood into a real health problem. The scary thing is that most people make these mistakes on a daily basis without having the slightest idea of the damage they are doing to their body. But don't worry. Today I'm going to reveal each of these crucial mistakes and show you how to avoid them. With small changes in your habits, you will ensure that oats remain a powerful ally and not an enemy in disguise. Let's get started. Revealed: the 7 fatal mistakes that turn your healthy breakfast into poison. Mistake number 1. The invisible danger. Why non-organic oats are quietly harming your health. Conventional oats are often grown with the use of pesticides, such as glyphosate, a chemical widely used in modern agriculture. Several scientific studies have linked this pesticide to potential health risks, including hormonal and digestive problems. The residues of these substances can remain in the final product, being ingested daily by those who consume oats regularly. Your body is silently absorbing these chemical compounds every morning without you noticing the cumulative effects. In contrast, organic oats are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides and harsh chemical fertilizers. This cultivation method preserves not only the health of the consumer, but also contributes to the protection of the environment. Organic producers often follow agricultural practices that favor soil quality and local biodiversity. The result is a product that is potentially richer in nutrients and has a significantly lower environmental impact. While organic oats may come at a higher cost, the long-term health benefits justify the investment. Some brands offer organic options at more affordable prices, especially in natural markets or during promotions. But is just choosing organic oats enough? Be careful, as the next mistake could negate all the benefits. Mistake number 2. The sweet illusion. The sweetener trick that destroys the benefits of oats. It is extremely common to think that oats are only tasty when sweetened, but this practice can turn a superfood into a problem. Adding sugar or artificial sweeteners to oatmeal can cause blood glucose spikes, impairing weight management. Excess sugar contributes to the development of problems such as diabetes and imbalances in the gut microbiota. Recent research shows that the gut microbiota influences not only digestion, but also the immune system and mood. Every spoonful of sugar you add to your oatmeal is quietly sabotaging the benefits you sought when choosing this food. Artificial sweeteners can be even more problematic than sugar itself in certain aspects of your metabolic health. Studies show that some sweeteners can alter metabolism and cause addiction to sweet flavors, creating a vicious cycle. This dependence makes you, over time, feel the need to sweeten your meals more and more, including oatmeal. If you think oats are tasteless without a hint of sweetness, there are natural and much healthier alternatives. Fresh or dried fruits like bananas, apples, or dates can sweeten your meal while adding extra fiber and nutrients. Another option is to use pure honey or maple syrup in small amounts, which have a smaller impact on blood glucose. Adding cinnamon or cocoa powder to oats is also an excellent way to add flavor without resorting to sugar or artificial sweeteners. And if you thought you were consuming your oats correctly, the next mistake is even more surprising. Mistake number 3. The fatal mistake. Why consuming raw oats is robbing you of your essential nutrients. Many people believe that consuming raw, unhydrated oats is the most practical and healthy way to enjoy this food. This belief, while common, represents a potentially harmful misconception for your nutrition and long-term digestive health. When consumed without adequate hydration, oats maintain a compound called phytic acid, which is naturally present in cereals. This compound can significantly interfere with the body's absorption of essential minerals such as iron, calcium, and zinc. Without proper hydration, you may be consuming oats regularly, but missing out on many of the nutritional benefits they offer. Hydrating oats before consuming them is a simple solution that makes all the difference in the nutritional quality of your meal. When you soak oats, the phytic acid is neutralized, allowing the minerals to be better absorbed by your body. In addition, the hydration process makes the fibers in oats smoother and easier to digest, reducing the risk of discomfort. To hydrate properly, you just need to leave oats in water, milk, or a vegetable drink for a few hours. This simple preparatory step can completely transform the nutritional value and digestibility of your portion of oats. Another advantage is that hydrated oats become more versatile and tasty, expanding their culinary possibilities significantly. You can prepare overnight oats, a simple mixture of oatmeal with yogurt, fruit, and a touch of honey or cinnamon. This preparation is ready to be consumed in the morning, making your breakfast nutritious, tasty, and extremely practical. But beware! Even with perfect hydration, your next step in the kitchen may be turning your oatmeal into a problem. Mistake. Number 4. Hidden thirst. The secret of liquids that no one told you. Without the proper amount of fluids, consuming oats can cause constipation, making the bowel sluggish and making digestion difficult. This problem is particularly common among people who consume oats regularly, but do not pay enough attention to daily hydration. In addition to constipation, a lack of fluids can negate other key benefits of oatmeal for your gut and overall health. The fibers present in oats have the function of absorbing water to form a gel in the digestive tract, facilitating the elimination of waste. When your body doesn't get enough water, this natural process is disrupted, turning a beneficial food into a digestive problem. This interruption can generate discomfort, such as gas, abdominal bloating, and that unpleasant feeling of heaviness after meals. Therefore, it is essential to drink plenty of water throughout the day, not just during meals that contain oats. The ideal is to consume at least 2 liters of water daily, adjusting this amount according to your individual needs. Factors such as climate, physical activity level, and body composition can increase your daily need for hydration. Another crucial point is that insufficient water consumption can negatively impact the absorption of nutrients present in oats. Fiber, when it is dehydrated, can create a barrier in the digestive tract that makes it difficult to assimilate vitamins and minerals. This barrier affects not only the nutrients in the oats themselves, but also in other foods consumed at the same meal. And if you thought that only mistakes in preparation can be dangerous, wait until you find out how you are poisoning your oatmeal. Mistake number 5. The ticking time bomb in your pantry. What the expiration date really means. Have you ever checked the expiration date on oats in the cupboard? This is an often overlooked detail, but crucial to your health. Expired oats can lose important nutrients such as B vitamins and antioxidants, which are essential for the body. In addition to nutritional loss, over-the-shelf oat consumption can significantly increase the risk of mycotoxin contamination. These substances are produced by fungi and can be extremely harmful to health, causing everything from digestive discomfort to serious problems. The expiration date is not just an arbitrary number, but a crucial indicator of the food safety and nutritional potency of your oats. Another key point refers to inadequate storage, which can accelerate deterioration even before the expiration date. Oats should be kept in a dry, cool place and protected from light to prevent the proliferation of fungi and the oxidation of their nutrients. Many people make the mistake of leaving the product in open packages or in damp cabinets, which favors unwanted microorganisms. Investing in airtight containers not only extends the shelf life of the food, but also preserves its flavor and texture for longer. If you usually buy oats in bulk, pay special attention to storage, as these products are more exposed to environmental factors. Always transfer food to a clean, tightly sealed container as soon as you get home, protecting it from the elements. Also, check the appearance and aroma before consuming. If you notice any changes, such as a strange smell, discard the product. But even the freshest oats can become harmful with these dangerous combinations that we are going to reveal now. Mistake. Number 6. The forbidden combinations. The processed foods that should never touch your oats. Many people, in an attempt to make oats tastier, end up combining them with industrialized and ultra-processed foods. This practice can completely nullify the benefits of oats and even introduce harmful substances to your body. Adding ready-made flavor mixes, industrialized chocolate sauce, or sugary cereals to oats is a serious nutritional mistake. These products contain alarming amounts of refined sugars, artificial colors, and preservatives that compromise your health. The contrast between the nutritional purity of oats and the toxicity of ultra-processed foods creates a combination that sabotages your health. Highly processed foods also contain trans fats and hydrogenated oils that increase inflammation in the body. Ironically, many people consume oats precisely to protect their hearts, but they cancel out this benefit with the inappropriate combinations. Another serious problem is that industrialized products often contain monosodium glutamate and other artificial flavor enhancers. These substances stimulate appetite excessively and can lead to the consumption of larger portions than necessary. Preservatives present in processed foods can also alter the gut microbiota, impairing digestion. A much more beneficial alternative is to use plain yogurt and lightly sweeten it with fresh fruit or a small amount of honey. If you want to really enjoy the benefits of oats, combine them with natural ingredients like fresh fruits and nuts. But there's one more surprising mistake that turns your healthy oatmeal into a real villain for your cardiovascular system. Mistake. Number 7. The destructive heat. How prolonged cooking is killing your nutrients. Many people, in an attempt to prepare softer and tastier oats, subject the cereal to extremely prolonged cooking. This seemingly harmless practice can significantly destroy the nutritional value of oats by eliminating heat-sensitive vitamins. B vitamins, naturally present in oats, are particularly vulnerable to excessive heat and can be drastically reduced. These nutrients are essential for energy metabolism, brain health, and proper nervous system function. Every extra minute of cooking is quietly diminishing the nutritional benefits you're looking for when choosing oatmeal. The natural antioxidants present in oats, such as avenanthramides, also undergo significant degradation when exposed to high temperatures. These compounds are responsible for several health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties and protection against chronic diseases. When you overcook your oats, you're inadvertently reducing these protective effects that make this cereal a superfood. In addition to the loss of nutrients, overcooking can turn the pleasant texture of oats into an unpleasant doughy dough. This change in texture often leads to the abandonment of oats as a food option, depriving the body of its multiple benefits. To preserve the nutrients in oats as much as possible, opt for gentler cooking methods and shorter preparation times. An excellent alternative is to soak the oats overnight, which drastically reduces the cooking time required. Now that we know the mistakes, let's discover the extraordinary benefits that correctly prepared oats can offer. The secret powers of oats that will transform your health forever benefit. 1. The invisible shield. How oatmeal strengthens your immune system. While you sleep, oatmeal is a food that goes far beyond simply nourishing the body, acting as a powerful ally in immune fortification. Its high concentration of fiber, especially beta-glucans, feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy microbiota. Recent research confirms that a large part of immune cells are located in the intestine, making this region essential for our defenses. The beta-glucans present in oats play an extraordinary role in stimulating the body's defense cells. These compounds help activate macrophages and natural killer cells, which are key in the fight against pathogens and potentially cancerous cells. In addition, these fibers increase the production of cytokines, molecules that signal the presence of threats in the body. This cellular communication mechanism ensures a faster and more efficient immune response against foreign invaders. The ability to strengthen the body's natural defenses is one of the many reasons to include oats in your daily diet. Benefit 2. The guardian of the heart, the secret property that controls your cholesterol, naturally. Oats are a powerful food in the fight against high cholesterol, thanks to the presence of beta-glucans, a special type of soluble fiber. These compounds form a gel in the intestine that captures part of the ingested cholesterol, preventing it from being absorbed by the body. This process directly contributes to the reduction of LDL cholesterol, known as bad, associated with the increase in cardiovascular diseases. Every scoop of oatmeal you consume is actively working to cleanse your arteries and protect your heart like a silent guardian. In addition to lowering LDL, the beta-glucans in oats have an added advantage. They don't interfere with HDL cholesterol, the good one. This means that regular consumption of oats helps maintain a balanced lipid profile, which is key to preventing conditions such as atherosclerosis. Scientific research shows that daily consumption of just 3 grams of beta-glucans can significantly reduce total cholesterol levels. A standard serving of oats already contains approximately 2 grams of this beneficial fiber, making this goal easily achievable. Benefit 3. The inexhaustible battery. Discover how oats keep your energy going all day long. Oats are globally recognized as one of the best sources of sustainable energy, ideal for those looking for constant disposition. Rich in complex carbohydrates, it provides energy gradually and continuously, avoiding undesirable glucose peaks and falls. This characteristic makes oats a perfect food to start the day or to consume before demanding physical or mental activities. Unlike simple carbs, oats fuel your body like a long-lasting battery, not like fireworks that soon go out. The carbohydrates found in white breads and refined sugars cause energy spikes followed by sudden drops, causing post-meal sleepiness. Oats, on the other hand, thanks to the abundant presence of soluble fiber, slow down digestion and keep blood glucose levels stable. This stabilization avoids the dreaded energy crash feeling that many people experience after consuming refined foods. For those looking for constant productivity and extended energy, without the ups and downs that compromise performance, oats are a strategic choice. Transform your life with the power of oats, the ultimate guide. Now that you know the fatal mistakes that can turn oats into a problem and have discovered the extraordinary benefits of this superfood, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Imagine what it would be like to wake up each morning with more energy, better digestion, and a strengthened immune system, all from small changes in how you prepare and consume your oatmeal. The journey to vibrant health begins with seemingly simple daily choices that have the power to profoundly transform your quality of life in the long run. Each time you choose organic oats, hydrate properly, vary your preparations, and avoid the mistakes we've discussed, you're directly investing in your current and future well-being. Transformation starts with small, conscious decisions that, added up over time, create a complete revolution in your health and well-being. Remember that consistency is much more important than perfection. Small, constant adjustments bring much more significant results than drastic changes abandoned after a few days. Start by implementing one change at a time, allowing your body and habits to naturally adapt to the new eating pattern. Perhaps you can start by simply hydrating your oatmeal the night before, or trying out a new recipe each week to increase variety. Over time, these small steps will turn into solid habits that will support your health for a lifetime. And remember, your health is not a destination, but a continuous journey of self-knowledge and care. Every spoonful of oatmeal prepared correctly is a declaration of self-love and an investment in your future. The real power is not only in the food itself, but in the way you choose to use it to your advantage. Apply one of the tips you learned here today and observe how small changes can generate great results over time. Your journey to a healthier, more balanced life starts now, with simple decisions that will make all the difference in your well-being.